everyone, and welcome to Jack and Cat Adventures. And today we're continuing our detox, and we're making slow cooker chicken. In here I have a whole chicken. It doesn't look like a chicken that we would eat normally. It's kind of small, but that's what you're looking for, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to mix together 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, a 1/2 teaspoon of poultry seasoning, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 3 cloves of garlic minced. And we're going to rub that all over our chicken. Rub it in the cavity. Kind of like you're doing a turkey. Throw all that good stuff on there. Okay, and I'm going to cook it breast side down so that the juices continue to flow into that breast and keep it moist. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add 1 large yellow onion, 2 sweet potatoes diced into 1-inch cubes. The onion is just sliced. 4 large carrots peeled and cut into 1-inch pieces, and 1 cup of chicken broth. So I'm just going to throw that in. And then I'm going to add my chicken broth. And my chicken broth is homemade chicken bone broth. If you use regular broth, it needs to be organic, okay? And we're just going to put this over our veggies and our chicken. And we're going to cook it on 5 hours on high. Alright, so here's our slow cooker chicken. This looks fabulous. It smells delicious. Now this is 4 to 6 servings, and as you can see, there's a lot of food here. I am finding just for myself that I'm not being able to eat all 3 meals, and when I do eat some of the meals, I can't finish them. There is a lot of food in each meal, so don't be afraid to try this. And even if you're not wanting to detox, these recipes, I will continue using these after the detox. They're that good. So don't forget, subscribe, like, share, and comment. And remember, you do you.